Pucker up, Hiccup, because you're about to kiss my boots. Oh, come on already! There should be boot kissing by now! Not you. It's disgusting. It's a new day, Hiccup. Hope you're well rested.
Toothless, hold!
Hiccup! Did you miss me? 'Cause I sure missed you. Every day for 3 years, I thought about you.
Sorry, Hiccup. He got the drop on us while we were searching
Quiet! Can't you see my brother and I are having a moment?
I'm not your brother, and we are definitely not having a moment.
Oh, well, I was. Look at you, all grown up. And quite the ladies' man, I'd wager. And I'll also take whatever it is you're hiding behind your back. Come on, hand it over like a good boy. Brothers share, you know.
You know you're not going to get very far with that thing, right?
Oh, boy, here we go. Must we always do the same dance, Hiccup, you and I? Not that you're not a fabulous dancer. Oh, you're a cheater, Hiccup! You've always been a cheater! Have I seen it? I've owned it. It's mine. All mine! After all these years, my baby's home. Come home to Daddy Dagur. Skrilly, I missed you so. On. If I was gonna harm you, don't you think I would have done it by now?
I don't know. You're pretty crafty.
Ooh, crafty. Thank you, Hiccup. I appreciate the kind words. They were kind, right?
You are so weird. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, I knew it. What was I thinking?
Hiccup, this isn't a trap. Look, there.
What are you...
Just look! Please, I'll stay right here. Fortunate realization that I was completely expendable while part of the Dragon Hunters and under the command of... Oh, I would have loved to have seen the look on his face as I drove... Well, when you only care about yourself, life is simple. Your actions are clear. Consequences? Who cares? When that changes...
Heather?
She's blood, Hiccup, which makes her even closer than you and me. Give it here. Come on. Can't take you anywhere.